So over here, let's say we want to make some changes to this existing cell. So double click on it and then you will be able to type over here. So let's say you want to make it North Korea. So yeah, very easy, just double click on a cell and then you'll be able to make changes. So either you can use your keyboard to navigate by using the arrow keys, or you can just use your mouse. Now let's say if you want to highlight a particular row, you can select it using your mouse and then you can go over here and choose a color with which you want to highlight it. So let's say we have chosen this color and now it is a little highlighted. If you want to change some other color, you can do that as well. Now let's say if you want to change the color of the text, then you can just select the text or cells and then choose the color that you want for the text. So let's say we want to make it red. So now we can see that the selected text is now red in color. You can select again to change the color of this. Let's say you want to make it green. Now it is green, broken down. Let's say you want to make all of these italic, then you can just click on italic and all the data will be made in italic. And if you want to underline the data points, you can do that as well by clicking on it, and you can see that all the data is now underlined. And if you want to, let's say, undo it, either you can undo it using this, or you can just select the cells and then click on underline again to remove the underline, and then click on I or italic again, and that will return to its normal state.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.